All right, our ACT question today. In a classroom survey of 12 students, it was determined that one half of the students belonged to the chess club, 1/3 belonged to the drama club, and 1/4 belonged to both clubs. How many students are not in either club? So right away, the survey says there's 12 people that I'm surveying. Okay, so let's look at this. It says for the chess club, it says one half of the students belong to the chess club. Well, half of 12 is 6. So 6 students belong to the chess club. If I just do the math. So let's look about this. Let's see, 1/3 belong to the drama club. So I have drama. 1/3 times 12 gives me 4 students that belong to the drama club. And then it says 1/4 belong to both. And if I take 1/4 times 12, that gives me 3. Well, already, if you notice, I only have 12 students, but already I'm looking at 13 people. How can that be? Well, the reason it could be is because what's happened is we've counted some of these people twice. The easiest way is to make a Venn diagram. I love Venn diagrams. Let's say we're going to let this circle be chess club, this circle be drama club, and as you know, the part in the middle where they intersect is going to be where both of them are. So in this case, I know there's a total of 12 people. I know the ones that are in both. There's 3 people in both clubs. Notice this 3 is in the circle for chess and it's in the circle for drama. So let's look up here at the chess club. It says there's 6 people in the chess club, but look at my chess club circle. Notice there's already people in my chess club circle. So there's already 3 people in, so I'm not going to put 6 here. I know these have to have a total of 6 people in it. So there's 3 people out here. There's 3 people that are only in the chess club, 3 people in both, but that's a total of 6 people in the chess club. Same thing with drama. If there's 4 people in drama, that means I should end up with 4 people in my drama circle. I already have 3 people in my drama circle, so it looks like there's 1 that's going to be on the outside there. So now I don't have 13 people, like I said, because I overlap these. So it looks like I've accounted for 7 people in chess or drama or both. I've accounted for 7 people. But there were 12 people in the survey. That must mean that the 12 people minus the 7 gives us how many people were not in the chess club or are not in the drama club. Now that still goes in our Venn diagram, but it goes out here. So it's not in either circle, but it is still part of our survey. So my answer in this case is 5. 5 people belong to neither. Okay, here's one that's similar. If you want to stop and pause that and read it and go over it, I'll give you a minute. In a classroom survey of 24 students, it was determined that 1/6 of the students were enrolled in both choir and band. 1/3 of the students were in choir. 10 students were not enrolled in choir or band. How many students are enrolled in band? Okay, as we found out earlier, we really need to look at the both first. So here it is. There's 24 students. 1/6 were enrolled in both choir and band. So I have choir, I have band. So why don't I go ahead and just draw my Venn diagram? So here's choir, band, and it says 1/6 of my 24 students were in both. So 1/6 of 24 is 4. So that means 4 students were in both choir and band. That means that goes here. 1/3 of the students were in choir. So 1/3 of my 24 students, which is 8, they were in choir. So how many are already in my choir circle? 4 in my choir circle. I need a total of 8. So I know there's 4 more that are in my choir circle. And it says 10 students were not enrolled in choir or band. So that means 10 students are out here. They may be in something else, art, piano, those type of things, but they're not in choir or band. Now, how many students are enrolled in band? So I've got something missing right here, but I do know what the total number should be. Should be 24 students. So far I have 8 and 10, I have 18 students. And if I subtract that from my 24, I've got 6 unaccounted for. students. What that means is 6 goes right here, but I'm not finished with my question yet. I need to make sure I've answered my question. How many students are enrolled in band? Well, how many are in your band circle? This 6 are only in band. They're not in anything else. But how many are in my band circle? It's the 4 and the 6. So my answer is 10.